Macedonia to near Mount Eaton. Movement was east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Akron, Kenton, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Massillon, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Alliance, Hudson, Wadsworth, Twinsburg, Talmadge, North Kenton, Streetsboro, Macedonia, Louisville, Orville, Redmond, and Mogador. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Ohio. An urgent weather message. An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coshocton County in east central Ohio, northwestern Guernsey County in east central Ohio, Muskingum County in east central Ohio, southwestern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 14 miles north of Fredericksburg to 23 miles west of South Zanesville, or along a line from 16 miles west of Coshocton to 25 miles west of Zanesville, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Coshocton, Newcomerstown, New Concord, West Lafayette, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Fredericksburg, Philo, Warsaw, Pleasant Grove, Conesville, Fultonham, Plainfield, Nellie, Norwich, Drake, Bridgeville, and Otsego. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscarawas, Ohio,